This is in the freaking mall. The toast and coffee and eggs pretty much revved up our appetites.
It did.
Shall we let's?
We shall let's
Go.
you wanna look here first?
So it seems like there's a HAWKER, well, food court style thing.
HAWKER style.
HAWKER style dishes. That's pretty good.
Maybe.
Maybe. We'll see what's open.
Yeah, please.
Sorry for the hair.
You've said that already.
I'm sorry. Got non-traditional something lemak.
Nasi Lemak.
Nasi lemak.
I don't know if we're saying that right, so I'm sorry if we messed it up. And I'm not gonna lift it up or I'm not gonna tilt it anymore because it's gonna fall over, and I don't want that to happen.
So it's pretty much chicken and rice. But ours is a little different because we got curry sauce, and this piece of chicken isn't not the usual, right?
Chicken, yeah. I don't know what the usual is, but the guy said that they didn't have the chicken specifically for it.
It's just it's like a late night find, and we're hungry AF. I have no idea what that sauce is.
So there's a little chili sauce, I believe, so that's red. But we'll see how this goes. It is a chili sauce.
Chili sauce?
It's kind of hot.
Yeah.
So
And it has peanuts.
Keep that on the side.
Peanuts with little fishes.
Anchovies.
Anchovies?
The curry tastes good though.
The curry tastes good. Has white rice.
White rice.
White rice with curry, a little bit.
And some chicken.
The curry has a little kick.
Does it?
And there's a fried egg as well. I'm not sure if we mentioned that.
Nope.
So she has a little bit eggy, a little bit of chicken, a little bit of rice, and some peanut.
All in one bite.
And if the lighting is changing a little bit, it's because this food court is pretty much right in front of those little fishies that we saw earlier, with the light show and it's like a chandelier. How's it?
The peanuts give it a good crunch.
Okay. Sorry.
And we don't have napkins though, so we might have to grab some.
Okay, you're wearing white, and I don't want to just like destroy this. Oh. Look at the skin on that. That looks like crunchy goodness.
It's not that crunchy. Well, check out this thigh
The texture is actually really good, even though it's not as fresh.
That tastes good.
We're looking for napkins. That was a fail. I didn't really see anything.
I didn't bring any. Well, if you didn't see any, I don't think I'll find any.
I didn't go really that far.
You went pretty far. You went all the way over there.
This place is actually bigger than I thought. I only showed you like half of it earlier. It's pretty much a 3/4 circle worth of just long food. Just gotta be careful.
Very careful.
In this mall, there's also just the most luxurious brands.
All the upscale brands that you could think of is probably in this mall somewhere.
I think like the only stores I would actually go into are like Zara. Victoria's Secret here is just a stall.
Literally,
it's not even
just a booth.
It's not even a actual storefront.
It's so weird.
And 7-Eleven.
Even 7-Eleven has its own like store. Victoria's Secret is literally just a stall slash booth slash whatever you want to call it.
Booth. But yeah, we can put you in the middle. Give you a little kiosk. It's like a kiosk. Did you try the skin? It's good. I think chicken and rice is the national dish of Singapore,
It's a very,
right?
I don't know if it's national dish of Singapore, but I know it's a very popular dish.
Oh, the chili paste. That was a mistake.
I love the peanuts in this. Gives it like a super good crunch.
This is the best chicken and rice I've ever had.
Because it has a bunch of other flavors too.
Yeah, it's fried chicken and rice.
With some curry and some peanuts and some egg.
Yeah, you wouldn't be eating this if you were counting. This is not bro food. This is I'm a boss food. Thanks, bro. Thanks, boss. Babe. That's pretty much all just skin.
They're really good with like a few slices of tomato. It'd be a little more refreshing.
That's the Filipino coming out.
I know.
Tomato and cucumber. Well,
That is it.
that's a wrap. That's not a wrap. That's a chicken and rice. We're gonna find our way to
7-Eleven.
7-Eleven,
Grab
get
some
our
dessert.
nightcap,
I'm excited.
and we shall see you at the nightcap. Last meal, aka the nightcap. I was gonna say that. Go ahead.
Nightcap.
Nightcap. So, we actually got bread. Magnum. 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 I think that's a Magnum. Water. We gotta do this quick because we took pictures outside. Took way too long. And running out of battery. So,
Melon bread. Ooh.
I think we had this in Japan.
Or something like it. Because
It's actually really soft, thick, split that bit, and
know.
exactly as we were talking, the battery's about to die.
Sorry guys.
Which one?
Open that one. That one was yours.
Just hurry!
Good
The
thing.
battery!
Salted caramel. Oh.
Take a bite because we're about to die. We're about to die. Hurry! Hurry! Boop.
Whoa.
If you like this nightcap, please like. If you want more videos like this one, all kinds of stuff, subscribe, comment below. Comment below. We hope you enjoyed because we enjoyed. And until we meet again,
Love you guys.
bye.
Bye.
Bread. Whew. Right before the battery died.
So gone.